So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in MSI EXEC space / on register. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in MSI EXEC space / reg server. And then click on enter again. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down to the very bottom until we find Windows Installer. Right here, Windows Installer. Double click on it. You want to click on Start, which will now make the server status running. And then click on OK. Next, you want to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. If not, then just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.